Let me show you something. I'm going to ask ChatGPT a question the way most people do. What should I eat to lose weight? Generic, boring, stuff you've read 100 times. Now watch what happens when I ask the exact same thing, just differently. You are a nutritionist specializing in busy people. I am 27-year-old who works at a desk and has no time to cook complicated meals. Give me a 5-day meal plan that takes under 20 minutes a day to prepare. Keep it simple, no meal prep jargon. That answer is completely different. Specific, useful, actually actionable, same AI, same topic, completely different result. The difference isn't the AI, it's the prompt. I'm Mario, and in this video I'm going to show you 5 simple upgrades that will change how useful AI is for you, starting today. Upgrade number 1. Give it a role. By default, when you just type a question, AI tries to please everyone. So the answer is usually middle of the road and bland. But when you start your prompt with, you are a, everything changes. You are a personal trainer. You are a financial advisor. You are a teacher explaining this to a 10-year-old. AI immediately shifts its tone, its depth, its vocabulary to match that role. See the difference? Same question, completely different answer. The role shapes everything. It's the single fastest upgrade you can make. Upgrade number 2, tell it who you are. AI doesn't know anything about you unless you tell it. So it makes assumptions. And usually those assumptions are wrong. Try adding one sentence to any prompt that starts with I am. I am 28 years old with £5,000 saved and no investing experience. I'm a recent graduate applying for my first marketing job. I am a small business owner with no budget for advertising. Look at the difference. The more relevant detail you give, the more relevant the answer you get. Simple as that. Upgrade number 3. Tell it what format you want. By default, AI gives you paragraphs, big walls of text. Sometimes that's fine, but often it's not what you need. The good news, you can just tell it. Give me a numbered list. Give me a table. Give me step-by-step instructions. Give me a 3-sentence summary. Give me an email I can copy and paste. See how much cleaner that is. The format instruction takes 10 seconds to add. The difference in usefulness is enormous. Upgrade number 4, give it context. This is the one most people skip, and it makes the biggest difference on complex tasks. Context means giving AI the background it needs to actually help you properly. Not just what you want, but why you want it and what's going on. Think of it like briefing someone before they do work for you. The better the brief, the better the work. Look at how different those responses are. With no context, AI gives you something generic. With context, it gives you something you can actually use. Upgrade number 5, tell it what not to do. This is the hidden one. Almost nobody does this. And it eliminates half the frustration people have with AI. Every time you've read an AI response and thought, that's not quite right, there's actually something specific that bothered you. Too formal, too long, too generic, didn't sound like me. You can just say that up front. See how much more human that sounds. The do not instructions are like guardrails. They stop AI from going in the directions that have annoyed you before. Okay, here's how you put it all together. I call this the master prompt formula. It combines all 5 upgrades into one structure you can use for almost anything. You are a role, I am who you are, give me what you want in format. Do not what to avoid. Here's the context. You don't need all 5 parts every time. Even 2 or 3 will dramatically improve what you get back. But when you're stuck, come back to this formula. Fill it in. It works. That's the 5 upgrades. Give it a role. Tell it who you are. Specify the format. Add context. Tell it what not to do. None of this is complicated. You don't need to learn code. You don't need to watch a course. You just need to slow down for 60 seconds before you hit send. The people getting incredible results from AI are not smarter than you. They are just asking better questions. If this helped, subscribe, because this is exactly the kind of video I make every single day. And drop a comment with your best prompt. I read all of them. See you in the next one.